I actually got quite carried away with playing with all the different ingredients. Watching your demo just gave you that bit of extra courage to have a go. Being encouraged to use colour, all the different textures in the foods, particularly things like the herbs and the seeds, something I've not done before, and I'm openly confess that I'm just not happy cooking. I'd much rather not bother, and I think that's just a symptom of being on your own. It's so easy to slip into that. So I thank you very much for that. It was I thoroughly enjoyed the output. I think it's having the courage to play with all the different ingredients and the flavours, but more importantly, to taste it as you go, rather than just chuck it all in. The stronger flavours need to be tempered a little bit, just to try a bit of this, a bit of that, give it a mix, and then try see what taste is like. So I think that's a big one for me. And also the benefits that can be gained by all these different foods. It's a lot to take on board, so I don't think I'm going to certainly retain it all, but it's certainly food for thought, and with lots of notes and what have you, so it gets you on the right road, one hopes.